Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Living with Rapika. So today we are restocking our refrigerator with fruits and vegetable and some other stuff. Here we are putting some fruits, corn in the jar, some sweets, some lady fingers, and here are kiwi, nuts. Let's put some in the fridge. We have some flavored milk, sweet potato, cauliflower and juices. Here are the fruits, berries, lemon, oranges, dragon fruit, pomegranate. Now we have some green veggies. Now put some flavor milk and juice, chocolate, cornflakes, other stuff. Now we have organizing our ice bodies in the jar. Now we have some ice creams, some pop-up ice cream with lots of ice cubes. Now we have four different flavors. By the way, my favorite is chocolate and mango. What's your favorite? Tell in comments. Here are the different ice creams. Some cracked ice creams. Wow, they're looking so realistic. Like and subscribe.